super typical layout here. We've got hallway, bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. But got these 2 bedrooms here cleared out and ready to go. You can see I got plenty here. Where I cut my closet, I got plenty left there. And plenty here as well. Plenty on my closet. I left myself plenty. So what I'm doing, not straight edge, a row running my doorways. What I did, looky here, I got me a run. I run a row all the way down. You can't hardly see it now. You can from the traffic, but right here, all the way, I run all the way down, and I measured over this wall, 23.5. Made sure I got it straight. Put my carpet alls here, a couple of them down there, so it didn't move. Took this whole side, folded it over, and then back just a little bit in order to get all of these row cut. So all 3 of these doorways are already pre-row cut and sealed over there for my seams. Now that I've got that done, I'm going to go ahead and stretch long ways in the hallway here. Get this pulled all nice and tight. Once I get it stretched long ways, and those are already row cut, I will go ahead, row cut the bedrooms, get them lined up and make those seams. Then I can stretch all of this can be completely stretched in after that. But the first thing is getting these row cut, getting my long stretch down the hallway, get it secured off. If you make these seams first and then get a long stretch, you're going to be bunching up or pulling off one of the 2. It's just a lot better to get your stretched long ways first, then make your seams in the doorways, and you can forget about it. Just go on and do everything in. So I made sure this stayed nice and prominent so I can measure from here to here. When I stretch, make sure it stays on 23.5. This hallway's got to be nice and straight because this is going to be row cut to it. That's going to be row cut to it. Both of those will be off if the hallway's off. So hallway is very important when you're running bedrooms off of it.